Everybody, we're going to do a video today on how to draw a car. Trying to think, maybe a sedan or a sports car. Take your number 2 pencil, just a regular number 2 pencil, and use your ruler here. Get out just a little bit of a line there. This will just be something you can work out with. Okay, there we go. So you can see that there. Okay, now we're gonna do this. We're gonna make a windshield now. The windshield's gonna be on the side here, so we'll go. Go. Use our eraser here. We'll just get rid of that. There, all right. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna make a small line here. Gonna go up there. It's gonna make a hood. We're gonna work on the hood of it. Work on the window here. Go. So now we're gonna, we got that complete there. We got a hood there, we got a window, all right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna work on the wheels. And I would probably, what I would do is create just a line there, and have a line back here like that. You can use it as something you can use for almost like where you, I'm trying to think of the word up top of my head, can't think of it, but that's okay. We'll a guide. Yeah, all right. Gonna work on, make a circle here. This is just my way of doing it. And what you guys' way is can be far different than mine. This is just what I'm doing. So I'm gonna create this, gonna go outwards, make some turns here that kind of almost like you're making a half O. That's the best way I could describe it, like a half O. I'll make some nice rims. And you could just connect those to there, the spokes there and there. Want some nice, good Pimpster rims here. There we go. With that done, just gonna use your eraser here. Erase off that. The excess around there. Okay. Let's go over here now and create a circle here. These half circles here as well. or like an upside down J. That's another way you could think of it, using that. So. Go. Looks pretty good there. So now, my apologies, my dog is barking. There's another dog barking out there, so he's going to be barking a bit. So just bear with me on this one. He'll tire out eventually. All right, doing these J's here. Around there. There we go. He'll give up eventually. He just basically barks until somebody does something. So he'll give up eventually. Just the way he is. He can be a little annoying sometimes, but I love him nonetheless. Like this. I'm going to work on the hood there a little bit more. There we go. That we're gonna make let's make a door here as well. Make that door go up here. Go. Some nice lights there. We'll add some lights there. There we go. Okay. Go. Work on our window here a bit. Go down like this. Go around here. Oh, that's a nice looking car. Looking good so far. Let's put a handle. Let's put a mirror here. Okay, put the handle right there. Right there as well. Okay. We're going to use a charcoal. We're going to do a medium charcoal pencil. So we're going to just do some light charcoal here in the door. Go. Recommend a light, just very, very lightly on the windows here. Not too dark, just literally light. go. Gonna work on the wheels here. We can make the wheels actually pretty dark. We don't have to go light on those. Maybe the rims, maybe in the middle we want to keep a little light, but go. Let's do the windows maybe a little bit. Let's just lightly get the windows here. Could be a little dark in there, that's fine. Tires, we're just making those tires nice and dark. We'll do this here. We'll do the same over here at these. Go. Charcoal again. Go over that there. Okay. Now we're gonna work on the hood here. Go. Great. We're going to go a little light here on the windows again. Make sure you go light. You can go a little dark, but I'd primarily go a little light. Go light over here as well. Go on the top here. Go. Kind of go over here. Kind of getting this here. Go. Looking pretty good. So. Next part, we're gonna, if I can have it up and handy here. It's around here somewhere. What I was gonna show you guys was how to use blending stumps, and it's kind of a cool way you can blend this all together if I have it nearby. If I don't, there's another way you can do it as well if I have it nearby. If I don't have it nearby, you won't worry about it. I'll check. No, I don't. Looks like I don't have it nearby. That's okay though. I've got a good plan for that. Alright, so because we don't have it nearby, that really sucks. But I'm gonna use one of these erasers. This would work too. These erasers actually work pretty good. So this is just a way you can create more. See, it blends all this together. use one of these old erasers. Came in handy, it looks like. Go. Now with that, did a good job with that. Areas where it gets too dark, we'll just erase that out. Where it gets too dark, you just do an eraser here. What you're going to do is you're just going to erase this out here. The areas that gets too dark here. If you keep going at this, you'll get way, way, way better. Some areas here, areas you think could be, a little better. There we go. So that's the car. I'll put that on the thumbnail. So make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you next one. This was really fun, you guys. Thank you.